Do you experience goosebumps while listening to music? If so, you have a medical condition and it is called Frisson. Frisson is also called as aesthetic chills or skin orgasm. Usually uncommon but not rare, it is a unique brain wiring condition. A person with Frisson experience skin shivering, tingling sensation along with goosebumps, which makes them extremely emotional to a certain kind of stimuli. Mostly caused by the stimuli music, the person experiences a sudden strong rush of pleasure and excitement. This is because of the sudden release of the dopamine, feel-good chemicals, of the brain's reward system. This response triggers flight-or-fight system, releasing adrenaline, causing goosebumps, shivers, and increased heart rate. People getting Frisson often have more nerve fiber in their brain connecting auditory cortex to emotional processing area. Frisson can also be triggered whenever the individuals are open to new experiences. Hearing unexpected harmonies, soaring vocals, intense film scenes, gazing beautiful arts, witnessing beautiful sunsets, listening to powerful speeches, having a meaningful or dramatic moments or even rituals. Frisson is an ancient survival mechanism which repurposed into an aesthetic experience for pleasure. So the next time when someone asks you about these chills, tell them it has a name.